This came out so well, way better than I thought. It is as breathable as it gets. This came out so good.
Feels the wizard with the DTF, we're minted. Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric, we imprinted. Transfer superstars, yeah, we tinted.
In today's video, we're gonna take this Mid-Journey AI design and turn it into a shirt. Not just that, we are also gonna take off all this heavy print, making it more lightweight. So what we're gonna do is add some black knockouts and add some halftones, making this more lightweight. That's better. Let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm gonna show you how to do a black knockout after an effect using this artwork. As you may notice, it's all pretty dark and most of the image is black. So this might be tricky, but let's get right to it. The first thing you should notice is that since it's mostly black, there are adjustments that we have to make. But the first step is to create a backup of this image by clicking on the layer, right-clicking, and selecting Duplicate Layer. Just press OK. Then let's hide this bottom layer as it serves as our backup layer. After that, make sure that our canvas size is correct. This image is going to be 12 inches in width. For the resolution, let's always keep it at 300. Now that the size and resolution are set to what we want, let's go back to the image layer, right-click, and duplicate it. This time, don't press OK immediately. Go to Destination and under Document, select New. Click OK. Now we have a duplicate in a different document. In this new document, go to Image, then Mode, and choose Grayscale. After that, go to Adjustments and Curves. Here, I just want to make sure that we have a lot of white areas left so that the black areas get knocked out. Since the image is mostly black, we want to keep as much white as possible. Maybe something like this. Press OK. Go to Image again, then Adjustments, and this time go to Levels. This part may vary depending on the artwork you're working on. It really depends on the artwork, but you want to keep as many white areas as possible, as those are the areas that will be kept while the black ones are knocked out. The gray areas will be halftone. To keep as much detail as possible, adjust this on a case-by-case basis. I'm pretty satisfied with this one. After that, just go to Image and Mode, select Bitmap, and press OK. Here, since we already have our resolution output set to 300, enter 300. For the method, use halftone screen and press OK. In the frequency section, you'll need to test it out. The higher the frequency, the smaller the halftone is. The lower the frequency, the larger the halftone circle. You'll need to run a few tests to see what fits best for you. For this one, I'll try 32 with an angle of 22, and the shape is round. Press OK. If you zoom in, you'll see that these are now halftone, but I think they're too small. Just press Ctrl+Z to try it again. Go to Image, Mode, Bitmap. Maybe let's try 30. They are slightly bigger, but not by much. I think I'm okay with it. Now that we're done, press Ctrl+A and you'll notice this broken line outside. It means it's now selected. Press Ctrl+C to copy, then let's go back to the first document. Click on the layer mask icon on the bottom right of the screen. It will now create a layer mask that is all white. If you press Alt and left click on the layer mask, this white area right here, it'll take you exactly to the layer mask. Now press Ctrl+V to paste what we copied earlier. It's pasted here now, and you see there are still broken lines. That means it's currently selected, and to deselect that, press Ctrl+D. It's now unselected. You'll notice that the visibility icon right here is grayed out. If you click on this again, the artwork will turn back to normal, but now the mask is here. This is the halftone effect that we want, and it looks pretty good. To see what it looks like on a darker garment or background, just add a solid color. Maybe let's say I'm going to add black right here if it's going to be on a black shirt or maybe a dark blue shirt like this. It still works since almost all of the blacks are knocked out. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how this turned out. Let's delete this one and save this as Snake Halftone. One more thing I want to do is rotate the image since this one is very long. I mean, it's pretty much vertical. I want to make it horizontal, so go to Image, Image Rotation, and select Clockwise. Then save it again. This will come in handy later on. Let's go back to placing an order on Transfers Resource and return to the main page. Right here, you're going to click on DTF Transfers, go to DTF Gangsheet Builder Pro, and say you want to use a 22 by 12 inch gang sheet. To build my gang sheet, I'm going to click on Start a New Gang Sheet. The artwork that we did earlier, let's bring it here. Just click and drag so that it gets uploaded into the Gangsheet Builder. Once that's done, click on it to edit here. Now this artwork I made is quite big, so it fits perfectly on the 22 by 12 inch gang sheet. That's why I rotated it counterclockwise so it would look like this. If not, it would look vertical and wouldn't fit unless you used a bigger gang sheet. But if you want, you can scale it down like this if you want multiple copies of it and not very big, but I like this size already. Once we're done, save and add to cart. Just click on the box and make sure that if you have multiple artworks, there are no overlapping images and that the resolution is fine. Like we did earlier, it's at 300 dpi. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just click on this checkbox and press Add to Cart.
All right, guys, we have the prints, but let's just say we didn't do any of the black knockout effect or the halftone. Let's just say we printed it as is. You would get something like this. Very heavy. Something that when you would print it or press it on a shirt, you would definitely feel this whole graphic. This is what you get if you do all of those things. Something very lightweight, especially this big of a graphic. And you're capturing still a lot of the detail, and you're gonna see that on a shirt. First, let's take a closer look on this print. So for the comparison of both, you could definitely tell we captured a lot. Even just the outline itself. I don't even see that on the left-hand side. And I gotta say, our designers did very, very well on just capturing this image entirely and also deleting a lot of it too to make it as breathable as it is. All right, let's get started. For our blanks today, we're gonna be using this Next Level apparel. It is a 3600 for the model number. It is a large black shirt. And for a heat press, we are using our Heatmaster Prisma. Has been a fan favorite in all our videos, so why stop now? It's a 16 by 20 layout and 10-inch pullout, and it has threading capabilities, so it makes it easy for any type of project that we're handling. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's get started. We're gonna be using our laser system today. If you guys are interested, we'll put a link in the description below. The sheet is definitely not as long as it needs to be, but it will do the job in subsections. All right, this came out so good. Oh my gosh. And it's so breathable too. Yeah, it looks incredible. All right, guys, this came out so well. Way better than I thought. Oh man. And the red eyes too, wow. I don't know if you can see the fine amount of detail that it still has. It is as breathable as it gets. That's crazy. Yeah, no, this looks good. This looks great. All right, we did a good job, guys. All right, guys, we showed you how to do some halftoning and a black knockout effect on this Midjourney AI design. Then we printed it out for DTF, then slapped it on a next level apparel t-shirt. Now we got a shirt that I would honestly say that I would see in most retail stores. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. All right, well, that's it for me for now. I hope you saw value in this video. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe. And please leave a comment down for more videos like this. Bye.